What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. We will talk about its design, hardware, specs, performance, features and all of its pros and cons. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. When it comes to design, the very first thing you will notice is the unique design and shape of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. It comes with a curved base, at the end of which you will find the JBL speakers. On the back of the tablet you will find the kickstand that you can use for using the tablet in 3 different ways. The soft touch acrylic finish gives a very premium appearance to the tablet. The build quality is nice, the aluminum body looks solid, but it also contributes in the weight of the device. Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab weighs nearly 750 grams and considering the weight of other tablets, it's heavy for sure. The bezels are very thick, especially on the sides, and also the position of the camera is not that great. It comes with a 3.5mm jack along with 3 microphones and the USB Type-C port as well. There is a button provided that you can use to release the kickstand, and right behind it you will find the memory card slot as well. Overall, the design and build quality of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab is good and unique. The only drawback is that it weighs a bit more, and if you are going to use this tablet while holding in your hand, then it won't be much comfortable. Also, since the weight is not equally distributed, it won't be comfortable while playing games as well. But other than this, the device looks beautiful, premium, and the build quality is very nice. Talking about the screen, we got a 10.1-inch LCD screen with full HD plus resolution. So the PPI you are going to get is 218, and even though it sounds less, the display quality is really good. The colors are punchy, the viewing angles are nice, and the brightness is good enough to use the tablet in the direct sunlight. Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. The 8 megapixel rear camera is good enough for casual photography. The 5MP front facing camera is quite good for video calling purpose, but the position is not so nice. It is designed to be used in the portrait mode, but the kickstand works better in the landscape mode, and this is what usually we use for video calling, and because of that it looks a bit odd during the video call because of the position of the front cam. Now talking about the hardware and performance, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor. That's a bit old and low-end processor from Qualcomm, and because of that the performance of the device is not so smooth. It is good for regular tablet usage, but if you want to play games on Yoga Smart Tab, then most of the time you will feel lagging, frame drops, and you won't be able to play games on the high graphics setting. But if you just want to use this tablet for browsing the internet, for making video calls or watching movies, then you won't face any issue. It comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, out of which nearly 50GB is free for the user, and if you want, you can also use the memory card slot to expand the memory, and it supports up to 256GB of micro SD card. It comes with 7000 mAh battery, and the battery performance is quite nice. It provides nearly 10 hours of video playback at the medium brightness, but there is no fast charging provided, and because of that it takes lots of time in charging a huge battery of 7000 mAh capacity. Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab got 3 microphones with far field voice recognition, and they performed brilliantly. These microphones were able to successfully recognize my voice clearly even in the loud environments, while giving voice commands to Google Assistant, and even while during the video calling, the microphone's performance was nice as well. When it comes to multimedia entertainment, Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab is a great device. It comes with dual 2-watt JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos, so the audio quality you are going to get is going to impress you for sure. The audio output is loud, clear, and very rich. You can watch our speaker test comparison video of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab and Huawei MatePad 10.4 by visiting the link given in the description or clicking the banner coming on the top of this video that you are watching right now. Also, because of the good display quality, watching videos is a nice experience on Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab was launched with Android 9, and still while making this video, the device is still running on Android 9 and there is no Android 10 update provided till now. You will get nearly stock Android experience on Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab with some minor customization. Like there is a widget provided with YouTube video recommendation that gives the idea that Lenovo is trying to project this smart tab as a tablet especially designed for multimedia content consumption. The user interface is pretty smooth, you won't feel any lag while going through the settings, menu, etc. But the most highlighted point of the software of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab is that it comes with Google Assistant and the ambient mode that converts this tablet into a smart home hub using which you can control your smart home devices and gadgets right from your Yoga Smart Tab. Once you start charging the device and use the kickstand, Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab's ambient mode gets activated by itself, and then it turns into a smart display using which you can give the voice command to the tablet. You can use it as a digital photo frame. You can control your music or smart home hub and get all of the updates right on the screen of Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab while it's charging. It also comes with a screen assistant that provides you access to the features like screen recorder, screenshot, color mode or DND while watching full screen videos or playing games on Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. Overall, Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab is a great tablet if you are looking for interesting features instead of the performance, as we got a kickstand, a curved base, and there is Google Assistant provided that you can use with its ambient mode to use your Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab as a smart home hub. The battery life is good, the multimedia consumption is so nice because of the beautiful screen and the rich JBL speakers. But if you want to play high-end heavy graphics games or do heavy multitasking on Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, then this is not the device for you. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.